Hi everyone, welcome back to Sweet Potato Sister Club. I'm Delaney and today I'm packing up to go to the beach. Yay! I'm very excited because with all this virus, this weird time going around. So today I am so excited to go to the beach. So, what we'll do, I've got this new purse. So I've got this purse that I've got, this is my baby stuff in there. And then in the second pocket here, that's my money and stuff. And, stuff like that, whatever. And I've also got one bag for clothes. This is my bag for clothes. Better fix the strap real quickly. So then there's that. And then, I've also got this little bag I might use. I don't know if I need to carry something a little extra or if we're just going to a restaurant or whatever. Something like that. If I need to do that, something like that. I can just have my little bag handy. And then I've got a little towel for when we go to the beach, go to the ocean and stuff like that. And I've got this little bag for me, same, like go to the beach. So it basically has like some little toys, some food, a little swimsuit, or just a top, and then a bottle, and then, swimsuits and stuff. And then, yeah, that's it. And then I've got, Aubrey's baby I'm not taking, her name is Lala. And then, and this is Sweetie. She's still in her pajamas, but it's okay, we'll change on the way there. Yes. So, Lala and Sweetie will, come with me to the beach. Yeah, so, yeah, I'm very excited. So, yeah. And, today, we're going. Yes! I'm just sorry, guys. I'm just sorry, everyone. I'm really excited. And, yeah. And, yeah. So I'm basically all ready. I'm going to get this stuff all ready. Woo woo. And, yeah. I am just so excited. So, yeah. I'll take that on my arm. This on that one. Take this with this. Then take this one. And then I'll take babies. And then I'll take this. Okay. So, yeah. Getting ready to go. And, yeah. Sorry, everyone. Just had to do that so I could handle everything. And, yeah. Okay, our car. Woo. So we've got to have a big car for everybody that we have in the family. So got a pretty big car. It's actually kind of crazy, believe it or not. I'll show you. Oh, actually, I can't really see. There's our big TV, front. Where the driver goes, stuff like that. And then the okay, I can't really show the passenger seat, sorry. And this is the other seat where I've got all my babies piled on. And then this is where the babies are gonna sit in their car seat. Other one. So yeah, in the back, nice handy back and the seats. Sorry if I didn't get a good view of the seats for you guys, but I did my best, so it's basically all that matters. Okay. So, try to get the iPad in a good position. Yep, there we go. Focused right on the baby's seat. Okay, now, first of all, I gotta get the baby's seat all buckled up so it's all safe and sound. Safe so the babies don't fall out. Yep. Then should do it. It's gotta put this here. I think the seat is good to go. And now Lala's turn to come in here. Yay! Okay, Lala's seat. And then Sweetie's seat. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, I'm very ready to go and pumped up. Yeah, so they're in their seats right now. So down here I'll put their stuff, and I'll put this empty one we were talking about earlier. Put it in there. And guys, in case and this is our video part 1, Adventure to the Beach. Adventure to the Beach, part 1. Adventures. And then yeah, everything fits. Yes. Very happy and exciting. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in to see our adventure to the beach part 1. But that's all for now. And stay tuned for episode 2. Bye!